Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the progress. You can see this one. Let me consider this one as a new entry from the website, which you can always go to the cry once a week and then simply just make a change. So I have set up a trigger where you can just where there will be if there will be any changes in the sheet, it will trigger. Let me make those revert back and then let me show you again. Okay, so you can consider this one as a new entry. This one is a new entry with no send mail status updated. So if I launch this, I'm doing this manually just to show you when if the emails thing is working and the attachment is not attachment is also there inside. You can see I have just received an email 9:26. It's 9:26. This will show you 0 minutes before. So this is the email. You can see this is the email I have typed in. So this email is I've used the video name in the body, and this is the attachment I tried to attach. And you can see everything is working fine, which you can download. And yep, that's it from my side. You can just make the changes in the sheet and the code to get the right result. So that's it. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you.